Perpendicular bisector theorem. Perpendicular bisector is a line that is perpendicular to a line segment at the segment's midpoint. Perpendicular bisector theorem states that if a point is on the perpendicular bisector of a segment, then the point is equidistant from the endpoint of the segment. Example 1. QR is the perpendicular bisector of AB. So we're going to find the following. Let's look and see what line segment is congruent to AP. Well, here's AP. So its congruent line segment would be PB. RB is here. Its congruent line segment would be AR. And then finally, QA. Its congruent line segment would be QB. Example 2. DE is perpendicular to bisector AC. So we're going to find the following. What does AB equal? Well, we know that this is a bisector, meaning that it cuts this line segment in half. So if this half of the segment is 5, that means that this half of the segment is also 5. So AB equals 5. Let's find the length of CE. If AE is 11, then CE is also 11. And then we need to find the value of X. In order to find the value of X, we're going to use this information here. So AD is 12X plus 2. And CD is 26 plus 10X. So in order to find the value of X, we need to set these two equal to each other. 12X plus 2 equals 26 plus 10X. Subtract 2 on both sides. 12X equals 24 plus 10X. Subtract 10X on both sides. 12X minus 10X equals 2X. And finally, divide 2. So X equals 12. Example 3. To find X, we'll simply set these two line segments equal to each other. So 3X plus 9 equals 7X minus 17. Subtract 3X on both sides. 9 equals 4X minus 17. Add 17 on both sides. 9 plus 17 equals 26. Divide 4 on both sides. X equals 6.5.